R programming, dot chart and histogram.
The next plot is a histogram. Okay, let's say we want to produce a histogram of the mile per gallon from the empty cars data. Okay, you can refer to page 51. Okay, we view first. Okay, the empty cars data. Okay, so what you want to do here is to plot the histogram, okay, for the MPG. MPG stands for the mile per gallon. Okay, so how to do that? Okay, let's say we assign the plot as X. So X is a histogram, HIST. Okay, so the variable is the empty cars, okay, which is the MPG. Okay, and then let's say we want to put color of the histogram as red, and then we can give the name of the x-axis as the miles per gallon. Okay, and then the name of the histogram, okay, as a distribution of miles per gallon. Okay, and then you can run. So this is the histogram, okay, of the MPG variable. Okay, and then if you want to have, okay, more bins in your histogram, okay, you can create here breaks. Okay, so let's say you put here equal to 10. Okay, so you can have more bins, okay, by add this coding breaks equal to 10. So it's up to you, 10, 9 and so forth. Okay, and then if you want to create a density curve, okay, on the histogram, okay, you must change the y-axis here from frequency into a density. Okay, so how to do that? Okay, so you can add probability is equal to true. Okay, so if you run, you can see that the y-axis change, okay, from frequency to density. Okay, and then we want to put lines of density curve, okay, to this histogram. So how to do that? Okay, you can type lines, okay, and then on the data of the empty cars, MPG. Okay, and then let's say you want the color of the line is equal to black, and then you can also modify the thickness of the line, okay, by using the LWD code. So let's say LWD is equal to 2. So let's see what happened. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Oh, sorry, you must put a density here. Run. Okay, so there will be a density curve, okay, on a histogram. Okay, you can modify the thickness of the curve. Okay, let's say if you change into 3, okay, so dia jadi lagi tebal lah. Okay, or you can change the color of the density to blue. Okay, so you can modify this. Okay, the next one is a dot plot. Okay, so for a simple dot plot, okay, let's say we use the same data set, okay, which is the empty cast data. Okay, so let's say I want to plot, okay, the mile per gallon, okay, according to the car names. Okay, so this is the cars, okay, and then I want to plot according to the mile per gallon here. Okay, so how to do that? We can use the dot chart. Okay, so we can type here dot chart. Okay, so the variable that we want to plot here, okay, is the MPG, okay, from the empty cast data. Okay, so the labels, okay, will be the row dot names. Okay, the row names here. Okay, which is the empty cast data. Okay, and then CEX, okay, is the size of the plot. Okay, and then you can give a title. Okay, gas mileage for car models, and then you can put the x-axis label, okay, as miles per gallon, and then write. So this is the dot chart. This is a simple dot plot. Okay, so you can change the size, okay, of the dot here. Okay, 0.8. Okay, so it become bigger. Okay, 0.9, so forth. Okay, and then if you want to group, okay, the mileage, okay, so you can construct a dot plot of group sorted and colored. Okay, so how to do that? Okay, so let's say we give the name of the variable as X. Okay, empty cars. So we want to order the miles per gallon. Okay, so that it will categorize the cars according to the MPG. Okay, so this one will be sort the mile per gallon, sort the cars, okay, according to the miles per gallon. Okay, so let's say X, okay, we want to group by a cylinder, okay, CYL, and then we must factor it first. Okay, it must be a factor, so we put a factor, so X, the CYL. Okay, by default actually the cylinder is a numeric, so we change into category factor. Okay, and then we assign, okay, color. Okay, to each cylinder. So X cylinder, okay, equal to 4. Okay, we assign it as red color. Okay, and then just copy this one. Okay, color 5. cylinder 6, okay, sign as blue 6, okay, and then cylinder 8, okay, as dark green. Okay, so this is to assign the plot of the MPG by the type of cylinder. Okay, and then after that you can create a dot chart. Okay, so dot chart, okay, X MPG, okay, we want to plot the MPG, okay, labels as the row names of X. Okay, so the size of the graph, okay, 0.7. Okay, and then groups, okay, according to the cylinder, type of cylinder. Okay, so you can give a title, name, okay, equal to gas mileage for car models. Okay, so if you want to add if you want to have more lines, okay, so you can put /n, okay, and then type group by cylinder. Okay, and then name the x-axis as x-lab equal to, okay, miles per gallon. Okay, and then color of the plot, okay, is equal to the x according to the color. Okay, and then run the dot plot. Okay, so as you can see that the cars, okay, are categorized according to the miles per gallon. Okay, and then grouped by cylinder. Okay, that's all.
Thank you for watching.